Good morning, students. This is computer science class. Okay. Last week we have discussed about mouse handling skills using paint tools. Okay. Now today we are going to recollect all those tools again. Okay. In MS Point we have many tools, right? We have many tools to draw. Okay. The first tool is pencil tool. PENCILTOOL pencil tool. PENCIL pencil TOOL tool pencil tool. Pencil tool, it's look like a pencil. Okay, pencil tool is look like a pencil. By using pencil tool you can easily draw. Okay, you can take this pencil tool from home tab. Okay, just go to the home and click the pencil tool. Okay, when you click the left button of the mouse you can select the pencil tool and then you just click and drag to draw. Okay, by using click and draw you can draw the flower and anything. Okay, this is the pencil tool. So pencil tool, it's look like a pencil which is in home tab. Okay, next one, brush tool. Brush tool. Okay, BRUSH, brush, TOOL, tool. Brush tool. So the brush tool is look like a brush. Okay, brush tool is look like a brush. This also can taken from the home tab. Okay, once you select home, within that you can see one brush symbol like that. Okay, see there is a one brush symbol. So this brush option is used to draw the pictures. Okay, so here also you just click on the mouse left button and click and drag. Okay, click and drag and start to draw by using brush tool. By using brush tool you can draw like this tree. Okay, so brush tool is look like a shape of brush which is in home tab. Okay, next tool is eraser tool. What is the purpose of eraser tool? Eraser tool is used to rub. Okay, erase the what you draw. Okay, it's used to erase. So ERASER, eraser. TOOL, tool. Eraser tool. So eraser tool is used to erase your drawing. Okay, so eraser tool also it's look like in a pink color, like it's look like a eraser. You have used eraser, right? So it's look like a eraser which is in pink color. That is also select from home tab. Okay, in home tab if you click on the home button then you can get this eraser symbol. Okay, by using this eraser you can erase what you draw. Okay, then you can change the size. You can change the size of the eraser and you can rub how much you want. Okay, then the eraser tool is look like in shape of pink color eraser. Okay, the next one, color eraser tool. Color eraser tool. COLOR, color, ERASER, eraser. TOOL, tool. Color eraser tool. The eraser can be changed and used as a coloring tool. Okay, this is also one kind of eraser, but within that we can use some color fillings. Okay, that is also taken from the home tab Once you click on the color box, so you can click on the left click on the mouse, and you drag and draw in the drawing area. Okay, so color eraser tool, that is also used to color what you draw. Okay, next one, shape tools. Shape tools, SHAPE, shape, TOOLS, tools. So shape tools is used to draw different shapes. Okay, shape tool is used to draw different shapes, so which has many shapes. Okay, you just select which shape you want. So just click on the left mouse button and click the shape, and then go to the drawing area. Okay, go to the drawing area and then click and drag. Okay, click and drag, you then get the shape what you want. Okay, so shape tools which has many shapes. Okay, you can click and drag. And then the next one, airbrush tool. Airbrush tool, AIRBRUSH, airbrush, TOOL, tool. So airbrush tool is like a spray, it's used to spray the different colors, which color you want. The airbrush tool is look like a spray, it's used to spraying the color. So this is in the brush option. Okay, you just click on the brush option, and within that you have, see there is I have circle on it, that is airbrush. So this airbrush within the brushes option. Okay, so by using this you can color the picture how much you want. So it's spraying the color like that. Okay, so you just click the left mouse button and drag and draw the color on the picture. Okay, so airbrush tool is look like in a spraying the color. So okay, then next one, fill with color tool. Fill with color tool, FILL, fill, WITH, with, COLOR, color, TOOL, fill with color tool. So this fill with color tool, it's look like a one bucket. Okay, it's look like a one bucket which has color in it. Okay, it just look like in bucket shape. So fill with color tool is used to fill your drawings with different colors. So this fill with color tool is used to fill the colors. Okay, to fill the colors what you draw. So for that you first click on this fill with color tool, like left click on the mouse. You just click on the fill with color tool, and then you just move to the picture and then click on that. Then the color will fill. Okay, you can select any color from the color box, and then you click inside the shape using left mouse button. The chosen color is filled inside it. Okay, what you chosen the color, that is filled inside the picture by using this fill with color tool. Like that the color is filled within the picture. Okay, like that the color is filled within the picture. Then the next one, color picker tool. Color picker tool, COLOR, color, PICKER, picker, TOOL, T-O-L. Color picker tool. So the color picker tool is look like in a form of fillers. Okay, it is in the form of fillers. Okay, using this color picker tool, you can select any color from your drawing. Okay, from your drawing itself, you can select any color. No need to go to the color box and all. You just select the color from what you draw. So the click on the color picker tool from the tools. Okay, then the mouse pointer changes to this filler. What will happen if you select this color picker tool? The mouse pointer will change into shape of filler. Okay, so now move the mouse to any drawing area, then click on the color you want select. So just click on the left click. Now you can apply it to any other shape using this fill with color tool. Okay, next, magnifier tool. Magnifier tool. M-A-G-N-I-F-I-E-R. Magnifier. Magnifier. T-O-O-L. Magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is look like a magnifier. Magnifier means it's a lens. Okay. What was the purpose of lens? Children, do you know what was the purpose of lens? Lens is used to zoom one particular thing. Okay, you can see it's like a even bigger. Right, it looks even bigger. The actual size it is. Okay, so magnifier or lens is used to show the particular thing even bigger. So this magnifier tool also doing the same thing. Okay, so the magnifier tool is used to zoom in your drawing. The magnifier tool is used to zoom in your drawing. So for that you have to do, click on the magnifier tool. Click on the magnifier tool. Then your mouse point will change into like a magnifier tool. Okay. Click on the magnifier tool. Then your mouse pointer. Right. Your mouse pointer, it's always look like an arrow shape. Right. This time your mouse pointer will change to magnifier. Then click on the drawing what you draw. The drawing will be getting bigger. If you click on the drawing will getting bigger. So the magnifier tool is used to zoom in your drawings. Okay. The next one, selection tool. Selection tool. S-E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Selection. T-O-O-L. Tool. Selection tool. What was the uses of selection tool? Selection tool is used to select or crop particular portion what you draw. Okay, selection tool is used to select or crop a particular portion of your drawing. So it's look like in a shape of square. It's look like in a shape of square shape which is in a home. You just click on the home, you can see the square shape. So which is selection tool. So the selection tool is used to select and crop a particular portion what you draw. So for that you have to do, click on the selection tool. Then your cursor will change like a one plus symbol like that. Okay, your mouse cursor will change into one plus symbol. By using this, you click on the left mouse button, drag and draw a rectangular selection on what you want to crop. Okay, just using the left mouse button, by using left mouse button, drag to draw a rectangular selection on the part you want to crop. Now the cursor inside the selected part and drag it away from the drawing. So like that, the particular pot is coming from away, right? So this is the uses of selection tool. Okay, everyone take the page number 51. Take the page number 5151. First Roman letter. Find the number of pencil tools and magnifier tools. Find the number of pencil tools and magnifier tools. So shall we count now? What was the shape of pencil tool? Pencil tool, it's look like in a shape of pencil, right? So shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many pencils are there? How many pencils are there? So there is 4 pencil. So number of pencil tools is 4. Everyone write in the box 4. Number of pencil tools 4. Then next, how many magnifier tools shall we count? How many magnifier tools shall we count? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 magnifier tools. Okay. So there are 3 magnifier tools. So number of magnifier tools 3. Everyone write in the box number of magnifier tools 3. And shall you go to the next one? The following words have been chopped in half. Put them back together. Okay, we're going to match the words. Okay. The first one, SH. So SH. So for that, you just see. See, there is SH. So you can draw like that. SH, APE, shape. SH, APE, shape. Right. So everyone write in the first one. SH, APE, shape. Write in the first one. SH, APE, shape. Then the second one. PENCIL, pencil. PENCIL, pencil. Everyone write in the second one. PENCIL, pencil. Then see the third one. Okay. See the third one, which is, you can see from down onwards. BRUSH, brush. BRUSH, brush. Then you write BRUSH, brush. Okay. BRUSH, brush. Then fourth one. FREE, free. Free hand. Free hand. So the answer is free hand. FREEHAND. Free hand. Then fifth one. Now you go from down onwards. PAINT, paint. PAINT, paint. Then the sixth one, that is eraser. This also come down onwards. ERASEER, eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Turn the next page, 52, 5 to 52. Fourth Roman letter. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. The first one, B-R-U-S-H. There is a R is missing, S is missing, right? Then B-R-U-S-H-T-O-O-L, brush tool. Everyone write on the book. B-R-U-S-H-T-O-O-L, brush tool. Then second one, C-O-L-O-R, color. P-I-C-K-E-R, picker. Color picker. So C-O-L-O-R, color. P-I-C-K-E-R, picker. Color picker. Third one, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Fourth one, S-E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N, selection. T-O-O-L, tool, selection tool. S-E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N, T-O-O-L, selection tool. Fifth one, S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. T-O-O-L, shapes tool. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? That is a fifth Roman letter. Identify the different tools in paint and write their names. So they are given some tools and you have to find the names of it. So first, see the first one, it looks like in a shape of eraser. Okay, pink color eraser. So it must be eraser tool. E-R-A-S-E-R-T-O-O-L, eraser tool. Then see the second one, it's in a shape of pencil. Okay, so it must be pencil tool. So P-E-N-C-I-L-T-O-O-L, pencil tool. Then see the third one, it looks like in a shape of brush. So it is brush tool. B-R-U-S-H, brush. T-O-O-L, tool, brush tool. Okay, the fourth one is look like in the color of, it's look like in a shape of bucket. So it is a fill with color tool. Okay, F-I-L-L, fill. W-I-T-H, with. C-O-L-O-R, color. T-O-O-L, tool, fill with color tool. Then the fifth one, it's look like in the shape of filler. Okay, so it is a color picker tool. Okay, C-O-L-O-R, color. P-I-C-K-E-R, picker. T-O-O-L, color picker tool. Okay, then sixth one is look like in the shape of magnifying glass. Okay, so it is a magnifier tool. M-A-G-N-I-F-I-E-R, magnifier. T-O-O-L, magnifier tool. Okay. Your homework is color the pictures in the page number 52 and 53. Okay, right. Color the Roman letter 3 and Roman letter 6. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next session. Okay. Thank you.